heard that if you ruin things you go viral. This is dumb but am ruining my fov stress ball. It's my dream to go viral, so it's worth it. Okay, it won't. Why did I do this? SHH, hide the evidence. Bye. My mom names my fidget.
Hey guys, I just went to the teacher store and there was fidgets there. Let's show you a haul of what I got. So first I got some mini poppets. I got a square and a star one. Let's open them. These are really cool and they're pretty good for traveling. And I also got an infinity cube. And I finally got it, which I've been really wanting for a while. Then I got a metallic tangle. Then I got this dimple, which I've been really wanting for a while. So I finally got it, and I got it in a purple. Then I got a squeeze stretch ball. That is all I got. Bye, guys. Hey guys, a package came in. Let's open it. I think I know what it is. So I guess it came in another package. Let's open it. Oh my goodness, guys, it came. Okay, let's test it out. It's not bad, but it's so big. I'm glad it wasn't a scam, but it's really cool. It's so huge. But it doesn't really pop as good, but it's still really cool. It also came with a really cute package. Okay, so let's pop all of them. Okay, so this is all I got. Bye!
My mom names my fidgets Part 2.
The first thing that I'm going to open is this yellow flower poppet. This side is so fun to pop. And this is the quieter side. This reminds me of a sunflower. Next is this mesh ball, and I am so excited for this. I have been wanting one of these and they're so fun to squish. I will definitely be using this for school. Look how pretty these marble mesh colors are. I love this light blue one. This is the Balloony Pets and it's the pony one. This is adorable. These are the last few things in the box. We have this awesome Simple Dimple, a big red bike chain, some mochis, and 3 awesome acupressure rings.
Heard that if you ruin things you go viral. This is dumb but am ruining my fov stress ball. It's my dream to go viral so it's worth it. Okay it won't, why did I do this? SHH, hide the evidence. Bye.
Fidget toys. Fidget toys. Fidget toys.
Guys, I just learned how to play the Pop It game, so I'm going to be playing it with my sister. Winner gets an airhead. Basically, we're going to take turns popping as many bubbles as we want in one row, and whoever's the last person to pop the bubble loses. Ready to play?
Yeah.
Okay, I guess I'll start. Dang it! Oh wait, what? Did I win?
No, you have this one.
Dang it. She won the airhead. We're going to play one more time for another airhead, and this time she's starting. Oh my gosh, I won! We both got an airhead. That was so fun to play. Oh my goodness, look what just came! My package from Mrs. Bench! Thank you so much, Mrs. Bench, aka Fidget Toys Plus, for sending me all of these fidgets. Mrs. Bench will also be sending one person all of these exact same fidgets. If you want a chance to win all of these fidgets for free, all you have to do is follow me and Mrs. Bench on TikTok and tag 2 friends in the comments. So if you want a chance to win all of these really fun fidgets, all you have to do is follow these rules. I cannot wait any longer, so let's start opening up all these fidgets. The first thing that I see is this Globby. I love the little spiky things around the outside. This is so fun to squish. This is the prettiest fidget pad I've ever seen. Look at the pattern. Fidget pads are a really fun on-the-go fidget. I love how it has buttons, it has a switch, and you can spin it around. I've never had this fidget before, but it looks really cool. This is so fun. I love the spikes on the outside. Come back for part 2. Part 2 of all the fidgets that Mrs. Bench sent me. You can buy all of these fidgets from Fidget Toys Plus. And for a chance to win all of these fidgets for free, go check part 1. The next thing that I pull out is a Pop It. These colors are so pretty. Let's see how it pops. Ooh, this is the loud side. This is the quieter side, but I still really like it. The next thing, a dough ball. Ever since I saw Mrs. Bench's TikToks, I have been wanting one of these. Oh my goodness. This has the best texture ever. I 100% recommend you getting this from her shop. It feels so nice. Ooh, let's open up the pop tubes next. These colors remind me of cotton candy and unicorns. Pink, blue, and purple. Look how long they are. The next thing is a Balloony Pets. It's so sticky and cute. Sorry for all the parts, but part 3 next. Part 3 of this huge package from Mrs. Bench. I've always wanted a zippy bracelet and now I have 4. This black and white one I think is my favorite. Ooh, what's this? I love the little shaggies on the outside. I love the color too. Next we have some monkey noodles. These are super stretchy and thick and feel super high quality. Is this a giant mochi? It's so cute. It's like a Neato. It's super soft and easy to squish. Oh wait, there's another zippy bracelet. Anyways, let's open the color changing stress ball next. This feels like a color changing Neato, but softer. This is called a Shimmer Bear and I've never seen this before. This feels amazing. I can't even explain the texture, but I love it. She included 2 Bean Pod keychains, a blue marble mesh, an awesome blue snappers, a white bike chain, and acupressure.
Let's make some slime. I also have this clay stuff which I'm going to add in to make it foamy. First we get the glue and pour it in. Here it is with all the glue in it. And now we need to add the activator. 1 spoon to start off with. Now let's mix. Another one. Mix again. Mixy, mixy, mixy. Whoa. A little bit more. Some more mixing. And voila. I'm going to add some of this clay stuff now because it's a bit sticky. I've got a bit out. Now let's add it to the slime. Okay, so now I've mixed it in quite well. I'm going to add some colouring and some sparkles. Let's pour some in. There's nothing left in here, so I'm going to have to use just white. Give it a little tap. And now time to mix it in. This is so pretty. I hope you like the result. Bye.
Use this sound if you have fidgets. Show me a loud fidget. A quiet fidget. Show me a big fidget. Show me your favorite stress ball. Show me your favorite squishy. Show me a small fidget. Show me your most colorful fidget. And last, show me a fidget you take on the go a lot.
I was reading all of my comments and I saw this one, which made me think. I have so many different fidgets, but I have no idea how much it all costs. So I'm going to show you all of my fidgets and you guys can comment how much you think it costs or how much you think it's worth. I've gotten a lot of new fidgets recently and I haven't had time to organize them, so don't mind the mess. Here's the first drawer. I have all my dimples, pop tubes, and then monkey noodles and zippy bracelets. And then over here I have so many different fidgets. This is so unorganized, but these are all of my poppets. There's definitely a lot. All of my stress balls. I have a lot of unopened mochis over here, and then these are my personal mochis. As you can see, I am very much obsessed with fidgets, but comment down below how much you think my entire collection is worth.